Can people download your WordPress videos without permission? Yes, and here's why it matters. When you upload videos to WordPress, they're stored as publicly accessible files. In WordPress file security, this is known as direct file access vulnerability. Anyone with the URL can download your content. So how do I stop people from downloading my WordPress videos? The most effective method for WordPress video protection is using Prevent Direct Access Gold, along with Protect WordPress Videos extension. Together, these tools block direct file downloads by moving videos outside your public directory. This is called server-level access control. How does it work? Here's the exact step-by-step process. Step 1. Install and activate Prevent Direct Access Gold from the WordPress plugin directory. Then add the Protect WordPress Videos extension. Step 2. Go to Pages in your WordPress dashboard and create a new page or edit an existing one. Step 3. Click the plus button to add a new block. Search for Protected Video in the block inserter and add it to your page. Step 4. Click Media Library and select your video file. Before clicking Select, look at the right sidebar under Prevent Direct Access Gold. You'll see a checkbox that says Protect this file. Make sure this box is checked. Then set your preferences for file access permission and then click Select to insert your protected video. You can customize video player width and height, autoplay behavior, among other things. Step 5. Click Publish or Save in the top right. Your video is now embedded with full download protection. Can this prevent right-click downloads? Yes, because the video file isn't directly accessible, even with right-click or browser tools. What if someone shares the video link? They won't be able to play it without meeting your permission settings, like being logged in or having specific user roles. So, how do I stop people from downloading my WordPress videos? Use Prevent Direct Access Gold with the Protect WordPress Videos extension. Subscribe for more WordPress security tutorials that actually work.